Welcome all of you in our channel Pharmacy Guide. Today's topic is about pharmacognosy of phenyl and the whole process of section cutting of phenyl step by step. Presented by Shubham Pal. I am an assistant professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Technology in JS University. I would request to you all, please watch the video till the end. If you like it, please comment and share my video and subscribe my channel Pharmacy Guide to get the instant update. First, the synonym, biological source and the family of phenyl. There are some synonym of phenyl are available. First is phenyl fruit. Second one, Fructus foeniculum. Third one, berry soft. And fourth one is Madhurika. So, phenyl fruit, Fructus foeniculum, berry soft and Madhurika, there are some synonyms of phenyl. Next one, the biological source of phenyl. It consists of dried ripe fruit of Foeniculum vulgare Miller. Foeniculum vulgare Miller is the biological name of phenyl, and it should not contain less than of 1.4% of volatile oil. So this is the biological source of phenyl, and the family of phenyl is Umbelliferae. So this is all about synonym, biological source and family of phenyl. Next, the morphological or organoleptic character of phenyl. First is color of phenyl. The color of phenyl is generally green or yellowish brown. Next one, odor. Odor of phenyl is sweet and aromatic. Next one, the taste. Taste of phenyl is strongly aromatic. Next one, the size of phenyl. Generally, phenyl is 10 millimeter in length and 4 millimeter in width. Last one, the shape of phenyl. Phenyl is generally in oval shape, but sometimes phenyl is also in oblong or elliptical shape also. So, color, odor, taste, size and shape. These are some morphological or organoleptic character of phenyl. Next, the microscopical character of phenyl. So, this is the schematic diagram of phenyl fruit. In the next slide, I will discuss about the description of the microscopical character. So, from this diagram, we can see there are vascular bundle are there, endosperm are there, vitae or vita are there, reticulate parenchyma also present, raphe and carpophore are also present in the microscopical character of phenyl. Next, the description of microscopical character of phenyl. From the schematic diagram of phenyl or the microscopical character of the phenyl, we can see the anomocytic stomata are present in phenyl fruit on the epidermis layer of pericarp and mericarp, and also reticulate lignified parenchyma cell are present surrounding the vascular bundle. Vascular bundle are also present in phenyl. In case of endocarp, it consists of narrow elongated cell which have a certain arrangement called parquetry. Parquetry arrangement is generally a group of parallel cells which are arranged in different direction. That arrangement is called parquetry arrangement. So endocarp, which is consist of that narrow elongated cell which have that parquetry arrangement. Next, on the inner side of pericarp, vitae or vita or secretory canals also present, as well as volatile oil also present in the inner side of pericarp. In the case of endosperm, it is made of polyhedral thick wall cell which contain some fixed oil, calcium oxalate crystal, and alluron grains. So, from the microscopical character, we can see the anomocytic stomata are present in the epidermis layer of pericarp and mericarp. Reticulate lignified parenchyma present in the surrounding of vascular bundle, which is also present. Endocarp, which is consist of some narrow elongated thick cell which have a certain arrangement called parquetry arrangement. In case of inner side of pericarp, there are vitae, secretory canal, and some volatile oil is present. Endosperm is made of some polyhedral thick wall cell which contain fixed oil, calcium oxalate crystal, and some alluron grains. But in case of microscopical character of phenol, the trichromes and starch grain are absent. So these are all about the description part of various microscopical character of fennel fruit. Next, the active chemical constituent present in fennel. Volatile oil is present 3 to 7%. Out of the volatile oil, anethol, which is phenolic ether, is present. Phencone is present. Anethol is derived from shikimic acid pathway. Along with volatile oil, fixed oil, protein, phelandrine, limonene, methyl clavicol, and anisec aldehyde are also present. So these are some active chemical constituents which are present in phenol. In case of volatile oil of bitter phenol, which contain some sweet smelling synethol, which is present 50 to 60%, and ketone and phencone are the responsible for the bitter taste of phenol. So these are some active chemical constituents present in phenol. Next, some uses of phenol. Phenol are generally used as carminative, aromatic, stimulant, flavoring agent, and expectorant. These are some therapeutic uses of phenol. Now, the section cutting process step by step. First of all, these are the requirement for this section cutting process of phenol. 3 watch glass, 2 watch glass are full of water, and 1 watch glass are full of safranin solution for the staining purpose. 1 beaker which is full of water, and some phenol fruit are there. 1 microscopic slide and 1 forceps. First of all, the phenol fruit which are dipped into the water in the beaker is collected by the help of forceps. Then it is placed on that microscopic slide. Now those phenol fruit which are laid down on the microscopic slide. In the next process, on the microscopic slide, we have to cut the phenol fruit cross-sectionally or transverse sectionally by the help of blade into the thin portion. Next, by the help of brush, it is placed or collected and placed onto the watch glass which is full of water. This process can be repeated for several times. So the thin portion already cutted by the help of blade, and it is already placed into the full of water present in the watch glass. In the next process, by the help of same brush from the watch glass, it is then placed into the safranin solution. After that, again it is placed another watch glass which is full of water, and thereafter lastly it is placed onto that microscopic slide. So after staining and dipping the water, the thin portion of the phenyl fruit which are present onto the microscopic slide. Next, some drop of water are poured onto that microscopic slide which contain that thin portion of phenyl fruit. Then put a cover slip onto that for the proper attachment. This is the proper attachment of the thin portion of phenyl fruit into the microscopic slide and the cover slip with the cover slip, and then it is placed under the microscope, and this is the microscopical view of the thin portion of that phenyl fruit under the microscope. So this is the microscopical view. So this is the microscopical view under the microscope of the thin portion of phenyl. This is the picture we can see from this microscopical view. This is the raphe. White is present surrounding the endocarp. This is the endocarp layer. Under the endocarp layer, the epicarp also present, the outer layer. Beside the epicarp, the primary ridge are present. In that position, testa also present. This is the bunch of vascular bundle which we can see in the black spotted, and deep black spotted are termed as or observed as carpophore. So these are the various microscopical character which we can see under the microscope after the section cutting process was accomplished. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe our channel Pharmacy Guide to get the instant update. Thank you for listening.